Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to Consumer's Choice Top 5. Today we're talking about something that's absolutely crucial to keeping your car running smoothly, literally, motor oil. Now I know what you're thinking, Doug, motor oil? That's boring. But trust me on this one folks, because choosing the right motor oil can make a huge difference in your car's performance, fuel efficiency, and even how long your engine lasts. We're gonna break it down nice and easy, just like we always do, with a top 5 countdown of the absolute best motor oils on the market right now. We're talking about the oils that are going to give you the most bang for your buck, whether you're driving a high-performance beast, a trusty daily driver, or something in between. So buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and get ready to learn everything you need to know about motor oil. By the end of this video, you'll be a certified oil expert, ready to make the best choice for your car. Let's get started. Alright, kicking off our list at number 5 we have Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Now if you're even remotely into cars, you've probably heard whispers of this legendary oil. It's got a serious reputation, and for good reason. This stuff is designed for people who push their cars to the limit, folks. We're talking about high-performance engines, modified cars, the kind of vehicles that demand the absolute best. Royal Purple really shines when it comes to reducing that nasty metal-on-metal contact inside your engine. See, their advanced additive technology creates this incredibly slick film that keeps everything running smoother than a jazz saxophone solo. And what does that mean for you? Well, less friction means less wear and tear, which translates to a longer lifespan for your engine. Plus, you get a nice little boost in horsepower and torque because who doesn't love a little extra oomph? Now, let's talk viscosity for a second. Royal Purple offers this oil in a few different grades, 5W30, 10W30, and 0W20. Make sure you check your owner's manual to see which one is right for your car. And here's a pro tip. If you're running ethanol-based fuel, Royal Purple is fully compatible, so you don't have to worry about any weird reactions. Bottom line, if you're looking for a motor oil that's gonna unlock your car's true potential, Royal Purple is definitely worth checking out. It's like giving your engine a shot of espresso, folks. It's gonna wake up feeling alive. Coming in hot at number 4, we have Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Now this is an oil that's all about keeping your engine squeaky clean. I mean, we're talking spotless, like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Pennzoil achieves this feat of engineering with their Pure Plus trademark technology. Now I know what you're thinking. Doug, is that some kind of marketing jargon? But seriously folks, this stuff is legit. It's a patented gas-to-liquid process that converts natural gas into this incredibly pure, crystal-clear base oil. That means fewer impurities right from the start, which translates to less sludge and deposit buildup in your engine over time. And a cleaner engine means better performance, better fuel economy, and a happier, healthier car overall. But it's not just about cleanliness with Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. This oil also provides exceptional wear protection, even in extreme temperatures. Whether you're braving the scorching desert heat or facing down a frigid winter wonderland, this oil's got your back. And here's a fun fact for you. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is the oil of choice for Ferrari. That's right folks, even those high-strung Italian stallions trust Pennzoil to keep their engines purring like a kitten. Number 3, Valvoline Advanced, the high-mileage hero. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we have Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Now, this one's for all you road warriors out there, the folks who rack up the miles like it's nobody's business. If your car's odometer looks more like a phone number, Valvoline Advanced is your new best friend. This oil is specifically designed for high-mileage vehicles, providing that extra level of protection that aging engines desperately need. See, as cars get older, their engines start to show signs of wear and tear. Seals can dry out, tolerances can loosen up, and things just generally get a little leaky. But Valvoline Advanced steps in with its enhanced wear protection formula, creating a more robust seal and preventing those pesky leaks from happening in the first place. But it's not just about stopping leaks, folks. Valvoline Advanced also excels at temperature protection. It's got this superior viscosity stability, which means it stays nice and thick, even when the engine's running hot. And let's not forget about corrosion protection. Valvoline Advanced is packed with anti-corrosion additives that prevent rust and other nasty buildup from forming inside your engine. It's like giving your engine a warm, fuzzy blanket on a cold winter's night. And the best part? Valvoline Advanced is incredibly affordable. You get all this high-tech protection without breaking the bank. It's the perfect choice for budget-conscious drivers who still demand the best for their cars. Number 2, Castrol Edge, built for pressure, ready to perform. Revving its engine in the number 2 spot, we have Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Now, this oil's for all you adrenaline junkies out there, the drivers who crave performance and push their cars to the limit. Castrol Edge is engineered to thrive under pressure, literally. It's formulated with what they call fluid titanium technology. which sounds like something straight out of a superhero movie. But trust me folks, it's the real deal. This technology allows the oil to actually transform its structure under extreme pressure, forming a super strong protective layer that keeps metal parts from grinding against each other. It's like giving your engine a suit of armor, ready to take on whatever you can throw at it. And because Castrol Edge is so good at reducing friction, it also helps boost your car's fuel efficiency. So not only are you getting top-notch engine protection, but you're also saving some money at the pump. It's a win-win. Now Castrol Edge comes in a variety of viscosity grades, so make sure you consult your owner's manual to find the right one for your car. But no matter which grade you choose, you can rest assured that you're getting an oil that's built for performance and designed to handle the most demanding driving conditions. So, if you're the kind of driver who likes to put the pedal to the metal, Castrol Edge is the oil for you. It's like having a secret weapon under the hood, ready to unleash your car's full potential. Number 1. Mobil 1, Extended Performance, the undisputed champion. And finally claiming the coveted number 1 spot on our list, we have the reigning champion of motor oils, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil. This, my friends, is the gold standard. The top dog, the oil that consistently outperforms and outshines the competition. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is engineered to provide the ultimate in engine protection and longevity. We're talking about an oil that's so good it's guaranteed to protect your engine for up to 20,000 miles. That's right, folks. You can practically forget about oil changes for a year. But it's not just about the extended drain intervals. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is also packed with anti-aging additives that help prevent oil breakdown and sludge formation. This means your engine stays cleaner, runs smoother, and performs at its peak for longer. And let's talk about real-world performance for a second. Mobil 1 Extended Performance has been tested in some of the most extreme conditions imaginable, from scorching deserts to frigid Arctic tundras. It's even used in professional racing, where engines are pushed to their absolute limits. And guess what? It passes with flying colors every single time. So whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, or a full-blown speed demon, you can trust Mobil 1 Extended Performance to keep your engine running like a champ. But don't just take my word for it. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is also the factory-fill oil of choice for major automakers like Porsche, GM, and Toyota. These guys know a thing or two about engines, and they wouldn't trust just any oil to protect their vehicles. So there you have it, folks. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is the clear winner, offering unparalleled protection, performance, and peace of mind. It's the ultimate investment in your car's health and longevity. So there you have it, our top 5 motor oils for 2025, ranked and ready to rev up your engine's performance. We've covered a lot of ground today, from high-performance synthetics to budget-friendly blends, and everything in between. Remember, choosing the right motor oil is one of the simplest yet most important things you can do to keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Quick recap. Number 5, Royal Purple. Best for performance engines. Number 4, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, cleanest full synthetic. Number 3, Valvoline Advanced, best value for high mileage drivers. Number 2, Castrol Edge, built for pressure. Number 1, Mobil 1 Extended Performance, the gold standard. Now I want to hear from you. Which motor oil do you swear by? Have you tried any of the oils on our list? Drop a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome car content, and share this video with your fellow gearheads. Until next time, keep those engines running smooth.